Today, we're not just gathering for another brilliant break by the seaside. We're celebrating something truly special. This year marks 90 incredible years of Butlins. 90 years of laughter echoing across the resorts. 90 years of redcoats bringing smiles to every generation. 90 years of families making memories that last a lifetime. But how did it begin? It all started with an idea. An idea that everyone deserves a holiday. An idea that fun should be affordable. An idea that the great British seaside could be filled with laughter, entertainment and togetherness. That idea came from one man, Sir Billy Butlin.
Being at the seaside and visiting the various seaside towns to see my amusement parks, I spoke to quite a lot of people, and I could see that the general standard of holiday accommodation wasn't very good. They were crowded in, there was no sort of amenities for them if it rained, they were out looking miserable in the shelters. And I thought, if I could only raise enough money or get enough backing to build a complete little holiday village where they'd have decent food and decent accommodation, their own theatres, ballrooms, and all the amenities you could think of without any additional charge, I thought it would be bound to be a success.
With a vision to create holidays packed with value, joy and community spirit, Billy opened the very first Butlins holiday camp in Skegness in 1936. His slogan was simple but powerful. Our true intent is all for your delight. And 90 years later, that belief still lives on. So today, as we celebrate this remarkable milestone, we celebrate not just the history, but the spirit of Butlins. The spirit of fun. The spirit of family. Here's to 90 years of Butlins, and to many more memories still to be made.
Come on, chop chop.
Now it's time to celebrate in style. Let's all count down together.
Come on, chop chop.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.